You might have seen a video of a yogi on the internet which is going viral, where he is sitting in between the mountains, where there is lot of snow around him, and still not getting affected with it. He's sitting still without moving, without shaking. You might have also saw so many videos like this of yogis and great munis, where they sit in very difficult and most uncomfortable temperatures and still not get affected by the environment around them. You might be surprised after looking at those videos. It is because of the power of yoga, pranayama, and meditation. There are so many techniques in pranayama and yoga by using which you can control the temperature of your body. You can control according to your wish. If you feel like increasing your body temperature, you can increase it. If you feel like decreasing your body temperature, you can decrease it. If you want to balance your body temperature, you can balance it. That's why they are able to stay in those kind of situations by not without getting affected by them. You might be also surprised how these people are able to sit in those kind of situations where I'm not even able to withstand the temperature of Hyderabad, where it is just 10 degrees or 20 degrees. By using those kind of techniques, we can also become more stronger. We can also feel warmth in our body even in this kind of winters. So, today I'm going to teach you one of those most powerful breathing techniques which are going to help you to keep your body warm. So, that technique name is Surya Bedana Pranayama. In the name itself, you can understand it is going to increase or channelize your Surya energy, the heat inside your body. For doing this, you need to sit straight in any comfortable posture by keeping your back straight and erect. With your left hand, take the chin mudra where you are touching your thumb and index fingertips and place it down. With the right hand, take the Nasika mudra. Here, you need to close your left nostril with the ring finger, right ring finger. Inhale through the right nostril and exhale through the left nostril. This comes under one round. Again, keep repeating these rounds. Once again, inhale through your right nostril and exhale through your left nostril. This completes one round. Here, if you observe, I'm only inhaling through my right nostril and exhaling through my left nostril. Like this, you can start with 6 rounds and eventually go till 9 to 12 rounds. And that too, most importantly, the most important point which you need to keep in your mind is you need to check how is your body temperature. Few people will have lot of heat inside their body, so for those kind of people this pranayama is not recommended, and remaining everyone can do this, especially when the temperature outside is very cool. And don't do this during summers because it might have negative effects on your body. So this is for today. Let's meet again in the next video with another beautiful topic.